Welcome to the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally. In this video, we are going to learn the names for the different parts of your body. At the end, we will have a little quiz to see how much you remember. Are you ready? Let's go! Forehead. Forehead. This is your forehead. Eyebrow. Eyebrow. This is your eyebrow. Eye. Eye. This is your eye. Ear. Ear. This is your ear. Cheek. Cheek. This is your cheek. Hair. Hair. This is your hair. Temple. Temple. This is your temple. Nose. Nose. This is your nose. Mouth. Mouth. This is your mouth. Teeth. Teeth. These are your teeth. Tongue. Tongue. This is your tongue. Jaw. Jaw. This is your jaw. Neck. Neck. This is your neck. Shoulder. Shoulder. This is your shoulder. Elbow. Elbow. This is your elbow. Hand. Hand. This is your hand. Chest. Chest. This is your chest. Stomach. Stomach. This is your stomach. Waist. Waist. This is your waist. Hip. Hip. This is your hip. Leg. Leg. This is your leg. Knee. Knee. This is your knee. Foot. Foot. This is your foot. Toe. Toe. This is your toe. Now let's see how many of these parts of your body you remember. What is this? This is your forehead. What is this? This is your eyebrow. What is this? This is your eye. What is this? This is your ear. What is this? This is your cheek. What is this? This is your hair. What is this? This is your temple. What is this? This is your nose. What is this? This is your mouth. What are these? These are your teeth. What is this? This is your tongue. What is this? This is your jaw. What is this? This is your neck. What is this? This is your shoulder. What is this? This is your elbow. What is this? This is your hand. What is this? This is your chest. What is this? This is your stomach. What is this? This is your waist. What is this? This is your hip. What is this? This is your leg. What is this? This is your knee. What is this? This is your foot. What is this? This is your toe. You did great! Do you want to learn the parts of your body even better? Then go back to the beginning of the video and watch it again! Thank you for watching this video on the Learn American English channel. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one.